our caravan. I don't know if you can see that, but the drone will show you. So it's very nice. This place is very cozy. I think what they've done here is very nice. They've really curated the land and made it really a nice resort. It's not a resort, you can say, I don't know. So we just checked in. We just charged our phones because no more battery, and I just took some drone shots. Can't wait to see the morning how cold it will be. I have an early call tomorrow. Hope the signal will be okay. It's already 5 p.m. and we are going to drive some ATVs. Just an afternoon activity. Since there's nothing to do here, we're in a secluded area in Maywang. Let's go, Abby. Speed. 3. Okay.
ว่างเหยียบฝั่งนี้นะถอยถ้าไปหน้าก็เหยียบไปหน้าเฮ้ยขับมา
เข้าใจ
นะโอเค
4
ถอย
4 back 4 back brake okay and then
ก็ไปหน้าก็เหยียบไปหน้านะ
okay
ว่างทีนี้วันไป
okay
ใช่รถยกล้อ
ใช่โอเคtaking some photos and sun has set, starting to get dark. We're done with the AT. Ano yan, Abby? ATV. And here's a nice garden. The caravans are there. It's starting to get cold. Are you hungry?
A little bit, but we still have to wait for an hour. It's still 6 and our dinner will be served around 7.
Look at the sky over there. Ta-da! So nice. I don't know what it is. Tama na nga. So nice to have a dinner outside, like a picnic setup. And it's nice to have karaoke for free. So they put up a white screen and then have complete microphone set, projector, everything is set up for you to enjoy and have a good time because there's nothing to do here. We're in the middle of the mountain. Everything is so dark outside. It's so nice. So we just finished our dinner. Look. All gone. We just had a barbecue and a salad. And that's our food for tonight. We'll go back to our caravan later. Maybe we'll sing another song. If the other guest leaves, we'll go ahead and sing. We're a little bit shy. In our cozy room and it's time to do some work. And after that, it's good night. Good night, everyone. Good morning. 7 a.m. I have to wake up early. First, to see how the morning looks like here in the mountain. Here's how it looks like. It's very foggy, it's so cold. Second, I have to prepare for my call. Need to find a place where it has a strong signal so I can take the call properly. Look. So nice. Look at the mountains. Oh, this is what I want. This is what I imagined it would be. So far, we're enjoying this place. It's a good place for 1 to 2 nights. Like if you really want to have a retreat, not spending time on your phone or just spending your time with yourself or with your loved one. It's really a nice place for a good retreat. Surprisingly, the pillow is not firm, but I had a good sleep. It's weird. Yeah, the caravan is really small, but it's good space. So don't bring too much stuff. We just brought 1 small luggage for each because I have to bring some jackets. And we're staying in another place later. I love the weather. Good morning, Hubbee. So lamig. Try to mumug and wash your face with an ice water. So the caravan has 1 bed, 2 pillows, some towels, a small toilet with bath, sink, that's a small cabinet, a desk with mirror, and then that's it. No TV. It has its own Wi-Fi, but it wasn't so strong. So I just got my signal again this morning, but that's fine. Well, I tried to work last night, but it was so difficult without internet. So I gave up. And then there's that seating outside. They will ask you to take off your slipper or shoes before you enter that room, which is nice. It has 2 windows, that one and that one. It has blinds if you want to close it. I think that's it. That's the basic thing you need for a room here in a mountain, a comfortable room in a mountain if you don't want to do camping, staying on a tent. It's so nice. I would highly recommend to visit this place for 1 to 2 days, or if you want to do a personal retreat, you can prolong the days, but it's so nice. It's so secluded. It's not too difficult to get here, and the weather is so nice. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. We're going to have our breakfast outside because why not? The sun is so nice. Here's our food. We have some bread, sausage, bacon, some salad, and some juice. What a nice way to start your day. If you don't want your slippers to get wet during the night, they have this for you to place it. Alright, it's time to check out, sadly. I just finished taking a bath. Hubby's taking a bath now, and then we have to prepare our stuff. It's past 11 o'clock. Actually, the checkout time here is 11 a.m. But we just requested if we can check out at 12 o'clock because our pickup will be at 12:30 from the next resort that we will be staying at. So I'm glad they accommodated our request. Well, they don't have much guests, so they would probably be able to accommodate our request. I'm just glad they did, so we don't need to wait outside. That's it for Vivi Fiore. This is a highly recommended camping farm. That's how they call it pala. It's a camping farm. Really nice for camping. Beautiful garden, nice flowers, nice scenery, beautiful weather, nice staff. They don't speak English. The guy in charge was really trying his best to communicate with us, but it worked. If you're in Chiang Mai and if you're looking for something unique and a beautiful experience, try this camping farm. Right, off to our next destination, just nearby. But it's time to spend with some elephants. Checkout time. Our pickup is there already. I'm glad they accommodated my request to pick us up at 12. So we don't need to wait here for 30 minutes. Bye, Vivi Fiore. Fiore? To the entrance again because they will pick us up there and bring us to the starting point for the rafting. I survived the bridge. That was a scary one. You ready, Abby?
Yes. The question is, are you ready?
I didn't expect that we'll be wet. I didn't expect we'll be sitting on the bamboo raft. So we're wet. Panic.